Hi everyone, today for Number Corner you are going to need your math notebook, a pencil, and you are also going to need your number line that we made during Number Corner a while ago. So go ahead and find that, and if you need to pause the video, you can do that. If you are ready, we are going to turn to our calendar grid observations page in our math notebook. Okay, and yesterday we talked about the pattern that we saw with our calendar markers. So it goes loop, ratio table, picture, array. Loop, ratio table, picture, array. So what I want you to do is look at this pattern. You're going to write our date right here, which is September 16th. And then in this little box right here, you are going to write the model that our calendar marker is for today. You should be able to figure it out by the pattern. I'll give you about 10 seconds. Okay, if you wrote a loop, you are exactly right. So today our loop is one loop with a bunch of balloons in there. So let's count and see how many balloons we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this looks the same as that. So I know that that's 14 because 7 plus 7 is 14. 15, 16, 17. So one loop with 17 balloons. So right here under the description, you're going to write one loop with 17 balloons. Okay, then I'll give you a second to write your equation in this box over here. So think about what multiplication equation I would write for one loop with 17 balloons. I'll give you about 10 seconds. Okay, if you wrote 1 times 17 equals 17, then you are exactly right because I have one loop with 17 balloons. So 1 times 17 is 17. I also know that anything times 1 is always itself. Okay. All right, we're going to do one more calendar marker. So right underneath loop, I would like you to write what the model of our next calendar marker is going to be. So after loop, what is it going to be based on the pattern? Okay, if you wrote ratio table, you are exactly right. Okay, so I know it's a ratio table because right after loop, every time it's been a ratio table. So for today, I have hexagons and sides. So one hexagon has 6 sides, 2 hexagons has 12 sides, and 3 hexagons has how many sides? Okay, so 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, and notice the number on the card. Okay, 18. So our description, we have 3 hexagons equals 18 sides. Okay, so I will give you a second, about 10 seconds to write what you think the equation would be for that. 3 hexagons is equal to 18 sides. What is my equation? Okay. So my equation today, this is a little tricky. 3 times 6 equals 18. Okay. 3 times 6 equals 18 because one hexagon has 6 sides. So 3 hexagons is going to have 18 sides, but we have to multiply that by 6 to get 18. Okay, we could have maybe written here one hexagon has 6 sides, but that would kind of show 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Okay. All right, next thing that we are going to do is get out your number line, and we are going to play some number riddles, okay? So get out your number line, and you can actually turn to the next clean page in your notebook if you, actually, no, let's just do it on our number line. That's okay. We'll just do it on our number line. So get out your number line, and I'm going to give you a number riddle, and then your job is going to be to circle that number on your number line, okay? So if you need more time, pause the video. If you are all ready, our first riddle is, I'm thinking of a number that's between 420 and 440 on your number line. What is my number? So between 420 and 440. So find those numbers on your number line, and then you are going to circle the number that is between those two numbers. Okay, if you circled the number 430, you are exactly right. Okay, next one. I'm thinking of a number. If you jump by 100 4 times, starting at 370, you'll be on my number. Okay, so again, you are jumping by 100 4 times, starting at the number 370. So find the number 370 on your number line, and then jump by 104 times. I'll let you do that. Okay, if you circled the number 770, you are exactly right. Okay, another one. I'm thinking of a number that's 5 tens more than 150. What's my number? So find the number 150 on your number line, and I'm thinking of something that is 5 tens more than that. So you need to think about in your brain, what does 5 tens mean? What number is that? Okay, if you circled the number 200, you are exactly right, because 5 tens is equal to the number 50. So I had to jump 5 tens to get to my number. Okay, next one. I'm thinking of a number that's 12 tens more than 400. Okay, so find the number 400 on your number line, and then you are going to jump 12 tens. 12 tens. So in other words, you're jumping 10, 12 times. Okay, if you landed on the number 520, you are exactly right. 520, because 12 tens is actually equal to 120. All right, I'm thinking of a number that is 33 tens more than 300. So I'm jumping 33 tens more than 300. So find the number 300 on your number line, and then you are going to jump 33 tens. 33 tens. You can also think about what 33 tens means, how many hundreds that actually is. Okay, if you landed on the number 630, you are exactly right, because 33 tens is actually 330. So 330 tens. All right, or 3 tens, I'm sorry. Next one. I'm thinking of a number. If you double 2 hundreds plus 2 tens, you'll know my number. So you're going to double 2 hundreds plus 2 tens, then you'll know my number. Use your number line to help you. 2 hundreds and 2 tens, you're doubling that. Okay, if you landed on 440, you are exactly right. Okay, last one. I'm thinking of a number. If you start at 200 and add half of my number, you'll be at 600. What's my number? So if you start at 200 and you add half of my number, you'll be at 600. What's my number? So it's kind of challenging. I'll give you a couple minutes. Okay, if you got the number 800, you are exactly right. So if we started at 200 and we added half of 800, which is 400, we'd be at 600. So that's how I knew my number. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. That is all we have for our number riddles and our number corner today. Have a great day. Let me know if I can help you in any way.